How your resume looks matters a lot. A well-formatted resume can help you land an interview. You could have the best experience, the strongest skills, and the perfect summary, but recruiters won't give it a chance if your resume looks messy or hard to read. Formatting isn't about making your resume look fancy. It's about making it easy to scan, clean to look at, and professional enough to say, "This person pays attention to detail." In this lecture, we will break down the core elements of clean resume design: fonts, spacing, length, and overall style. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to choose professional fonts that are easy on the eyes. Use spacing and margins so your resume doesn't look cramped. Keep your resume to the right length. Avoid formatting choices that work against you. Fonts. Keep it simple and clear. Let's start with fonts. Your font sets the tone before they even read a word. Use something modern, clean, and easy to read, nothing distracting or overly styled. That means good choices: Calibri, Arial, Helvetica, Georgia, or a fresh-looking Times New Roman. Avoid Comic Sans, script fonts, or anything decorative. The size of the font matters too. Name, 16 to 18 pt. Section headings, 12 to 14 pt. Body text, 10.5, 12 pt. Pick one font and stick with it throughout. Consistency looks professional. Spacing, give your resume room to breathe. Resumes with long paragraphs are harder to read, and no one wants to read a wall of text. So make your resume easy to skim so recruiters can quickly spot the most important details. Leave white space between sections. Use bullet points, not long paragraphs, to describe your experience. Stick with 1-inch margins. Align text to the left. It's easier to read that way. You don't need fancy visuals to impress. A clean layout often works better than something overly designed. Length. How much is too much? Resumes are generally shorter. If your resume is too long, even great content can get buried. So focus on what matters. Cut outdated roles or unrelated details. Be clear and direct. Here's the general rule: 1 page if you're just starting or have less than 7 years of experience. 2 pages max if you've got more experience or a technical background. Style, keep it professional and consistent. A few things to keep in mind here. Use the same bullet style throughout, dots or dashes, just pick one. Align dates and job titles the same way every time. Use bold text for section headers or job titles, but don't overdo it. Don't use colors, photos, or tables. They can confuse applicant tracking systems, ATS. Remember, the simpler your resume is, the more readable it becomes, and that's what gets it noticed. And that's exactly what recruiters want.